Nobody tells you this. Manifestation is tested when your life is breaking, not when it's beautiful. When everything goes wrong, that is the moment your future is secretly being decided. Most people don't realize this. When money is low, when people doubt you, when nothing seems to work, your mind starts whispering, maybe this is all you deserve. And this is where most dreams die. Real manifestation is not imagining luxury cars or perfect success. Real manifestation is standing in chaos and still seeing possibility. It is choosing discipline when motivation disappears. It is choosing belief when evidence disappears. Adversity is not blocking your destiny. It is asking one question: are you strong enough to become the person who can hold your dream? Most people answer no, without even realizing it. If you can control your mind when life feels uncontrollable, you don't chase success anymore. Success starts moving toward you. Type, "I will not quit" if you needed to hear this today.